Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Pista Milkshake. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of shelled pistachios, 2 cups of chilled milk, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. A small pinch of cardamom powder adds a wonderful aroma. Make sure your pistachios are unsalted to control the sweetness. This simple list ensures a delicious and authentic taste for your homemade treat. Next, let's prepare the pistachios. Soak them in warm water for about 15 minutes. This helps soften them and makes peeling easier. After draining, gently remove the skins. Don't worry if a few skins remain, it adds character. Then, roughly chop the peeled pistachios. This step ensures a smoother blend and releases their rich flavor. Now it's time to blend your delicious milkshake. Add the chopped pistachios, chilled milk, sugar, and cardamom powder into your blender. Blend on high speed until the mixture becomes wonderfully smooth and creamy. For an extra cold and frothy texture, toss in 2 to 3 ice cubes and blend for another 30 seconds. Pour into glasses and get ready to enjoy. For a beautiful presentation, garnish your freshly made Pista Milkshake with a sprinkle of finely chopped pistachios. Serve it immediately to enjoy its optimal chilled temperature and refreshing taste. This delightful drink is perfect for a quick treat or a special occasion. Remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.